So I went ahead and cut holes in my van, totally devaluing it. And the reason I did that is to install a security system. So this is a 12-volt security system that's meant for a house. You can put it at like a business, but these cameras allow you to wirelessly record onto a wireless screen unit. It's me testing the footage. And it's not really the best for a van, but I'm just going to get into it a little bit in this video. This is what I bought. It's a very, common security system. And this is what I should have bought. This is made for a van. So if you're watching this and you can afford the extra, $400, I highly suggest going this route. So this is the transformer. It's a 12-volt transformer, which means it's outputting from 120 to 12 volt. So you can do this with any device that says it's 12 volt in the transformer. You just cut the wire and then find the positive and negative and connect it to your fuse box accordingly. After saying that, I kind of remember that's a lie. I do have it running to a switch system. The reason of the switch system is because it does draw a significant amount of power. So if I'm leaving the van for a significant amount of time, where it's not enough solar, something like that, I do trip a switch. So this is basically the diagram of doing the same thing, just involving a switch. So you can turn the camera off when it's not in use. Anyway, here's the end result. If you have any questions on this, feel free to message me on Instagram, or if you're feeling generous, stop by my website.